Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a link for WhatsApp account. You can put this link in your Facebook account, in YouTube or any other social media. Just by click the link, they can find your WhatsApp account and send you a text. Let's create it. Find note, just write https colon /wa, that's symbol for WhatsApp, dot me. Again, another slash. Put your code without plus sign. Since I am from Iraq, I just add 964. If you are in UK, you can just add 44. Then add your number. Okay. Okay. Now just tap done. Directly, it's a link. Now you have a link. You can just click the link. For example, I click it. Directly, it goes to my WhatsApp account. Now you can just put this link in your Facebook, YouTube, or any other sites. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.